Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I guess you can see what today's DIY is all about: pumpkins. And these are pumpkins that I found in the Dollar Tree Plus section. We have this one, and they come with a little tab, so they actually light up. We have this one. This one is more of like a dark mercury color. The tab was already pulled on this one, and this is the only one that they had. Luckily, it still lights up. Finally, we have a gold one. And the tab is still there, so we are in luck. Alright, so these are just some displays that I have in the background. Found this at Goodwill a couple of years ago. This piece right here is from Bath & Body Works. Let me show you guys this pumpkin I have sitting on top. This is a black pumpkin that I DIY'd on my second channel. I'll link it below. Finally, we have this creepy thing here. And it actually lights up and make noises and stuff, but I'll turn the lights down later and let you guys see what it looks like. And I got this at Home Goods. We're going to put these pumpkins here, and we are going to start with this one. There's the skew. So I've decided to go with this particular bling. I'm not going to do a whole lot of craziness. I'm just going to show you how you can just add a little bit to an already pretty pumpkin and make it a little bit more glam. So you just cut one row off. Okay, and then you have this. And I use some hot glue to glue it on like this. Okay, I'm done adding the trim. So now I'm going to add these two teardrop pendants, and these are the smaller ones. And they will act as leaves on my pumpkin. And that's pumpkin number one. That's all I'm going to do to it. Okay. Okay guys, moving on to pumpkin number two. Here's the skew. Off camera, I went ahead and started a simple design. I decided to go with these flowers, and they are kind of a blue iridescent color. I also use some of the same bling that I use in pumpkin number one. This is the bling that I'm using. along with this gem mesh from Dollar Tree. And one row is more of a blue, this one is more of a green, one with the more of a blue color. And here I already have some cut. So all I'm going to do is just cut a strip of this. And I don't know if you've seen my previous DIY. I used some really small silver flowers just like this. So just imagine how pretty it would be if you use some of these colored flowers. I'll leave it linked below. To add these flowers on, I use hot glue because you need the glue to be raised in order to put the flowers in there. Okay, so I'm done adding the flowers and the one strip of bling all the way around. Here I have one rhinestone. And I'm going to put that all the way around on top of the strip. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to add blue rhinestones all the way around. And I'm going to use my glue gun. Okay, I'm done adding the rhinestones all the way around. Now I'm not going to do a whole lot of decoration on the pumpkin itself because again it does have a mercury glass design, so I don't want to cover that up. I want that design to still be able to come through. Alright, so I'm just going to stop it there. And again, I'm going to use 2 of my teardrop pendants as leaves. Okay, so this is pumpkin number 2. Okay guys, now moving on to pumpkin number 3. It's a gold pumpkin. Same design. With this one, I want to use some gold and silver rhinestones. Now there's no pattern. I'm just going to use some hot glue and I'm going to use my gem picker tool, and I'll link this below for you guys as well. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on here and then start adding some of the rhinestones. So I'm just going to keep going around and then I'll do some drips along the side with the rhinestones, but I'll come back in and show you how the drips go. Okay, so this is what we have with the gems on the very top. Before I was just going to let them drip down, but I think I want to do some swirls with them. You can see how it's large here. I'm just going to make it curve this way. And as it curves, it's going to get smaller. Okay, so this is all of the gems that I'll be adding to my pumpkin. So now I'm going to take the same strip that I used before on the first pumpkin and just highlight the lines like so. I'll do one and then do the remainder ones off camera and then come back. But you guys have seen me do it, so you really don't need to see me do this, but I'll do it anyways. Alright, just like that. Again, I'll do the rest off camera, then come back. Okay, as you can see guys, I'm done adding the bling. And I really like the way that pumpkin looks. Again, You don't want to go overboard with these pumpkins because they do have the mercury glass look. So you do want that to shine through. So now I'm going to take 2 more of my teardrop pendants and make leaves for my pumpkin. Just like that. So now we have all 3. Alright, so let me turn the lights down and see what they look like with the lights on. Pumpkin number 1. Wow, look at that. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Wow. I had no idea it'd be this pretty, y'all. Look at that. Whoops. Wow. And the crowd scream, wow. Wow. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay. I'm really satisfied with that one, as you can tell. Alright, so this is number 2. Let's turn it on. Wow. If y'all don't hurry up and go to Dollar Tree and grab some of these pumpkins, oh my God. These look just as good as the ones, if not better, than the ones they sell at Home Goods. Look at this. Wow. That's really pretty. Okay. Number 3. Let's go, y'all. Woo! Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. They turned out so pretty. Look at that. And these are Dollar Tree pumpkins, y'all. Let's put them all together. Look at that. Let me turn this all the way down. Look at that. Woo. Those turned out gorgeous. Wow. $15. $15 for 3 different looks. I already had everything that I used to decorate it, so it only cost me $15. So use what you have. If not, go to Dollar Tree, get some of the mesh bling, get some of the little flower bling that I had. If you have some crystals, and use those for leaves. You can always be creative and come up with something different. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. Okay guys, let me go ahead and put these on display and then come back and let you see what they look like.